Solar City will be the first of its kind in the Philippines. Using the latest technology and the best design principles, the development is a green, self-sustaining, and evolving urban model built on innovation. Solar City will use renewable energy from solar, wind, and biomass sources. It will be the country's first urban farming center, with farms and an aquarium cultivating edible resources for consumption. It will be run with a modern waste management system that can dramatically reduce organic waste. It will also be designed to prevent car traffic, with dedicated walkways and a monorail system strategically built between buildings. It will be a hub of tourism and entertainment. Housing the country's first cruise ship terminal, Solar City is poised to bring in around 2 million visitors a year to the gates of Manila. Hotels, convention centers, and even an artificial beach can make Manila good enough to be dubbed the Dubai of Southeast Asia. Solar City will also be a new center for heritage, art, and creativity that will call on the visionary talent of the country's best artists. It will meld art and history with technology, such as in using interactive holograms of the country's heroes set up as installations across the city. Truly, Solar City is poised to become a new gold standard for cities across the country.